Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Yeah, I know it's been a minute. It's like almost every video is like a repeat of it's been a minute, right? In the comments, guess what kind of car this is. I'm supposed to do it every week, at least try to turn it on, get the oils going, keep that engine lubed up. But it's been maybe 2-3 weeks, so it's probably gonna be a rough start. But in the comments, y'all guys let me know what kind of car you think this is. I'll showcase it one day on here. You know, these old cars, man, it take a while to turn on sometimes. I'm gonna let it run. We'll get it on and then we'll let it run for probably about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. Just kind of get those lubes going in there, you know. Yeah, this is my baby though. I love this car. There we go. It's gonna stay on now. Maybe. Yeah, there he goes. Maybe not. Yeah, there we go. It's gonna stay on now. I'm just let it run for 10-15 minutes. You know, like I said earlier, get the the fluids in the engine going, kind of get everything nice and lubed up. And especially with this old engine, it still has the original engine in it. So maybe in the future, maybe drop a new engine in there, maybe an LS, something more reliable that I could drive on the freeway, 80 miles an hour. Update the suspension, the brake system, just do it all. But right now, this car does have a couple mods. It still has the original paint job from the previous owner. It's all pinstriped and everything. So right now the car looks pretty good, the paint job it has right now, but I want to redo it. And kind of I'm gonna get more. Right now it has a matte finish, but I'm gonna do a something with the show clear or something like that in fit. Probably the same similar color with the white or some kind of pro in it. I want to do that. The interior, I love the original interiors. I'm not original like this kind of original, but I meant like traditional lowriders with the biscuit tug, the buttons, the velvet. I might do that to this car just because I love that style. I love that, the 70s look, the 90s, early 90s when everybody was doing velvet. I know nowadays they're doing all the leather and all that. I'm probably gonna pass on that. We'll redo this whole dash, rerun new wires, and at the same time, man, we might even build some models, kind of replicate it. We'll probably replicate this one right now, that we could have a model of before it was redone. So we'll do that. But let's go out here. Let's go. I'm gonna turn the fan on real quick, get the fumes out of the garage. I might even go around the block. I'm not sure yet. We'll find out right now in a minute. There you go. There's a glimpse of my the engine in the car. Maybe this will help you out. Guessing what kind of car this is. Again, put it in the comments. Let me know. Let me see if you get it right. But as you can see, all original. Like I mentioned earlier, I do want to change it out. But for right now, it's pretty neat looking at this thing. I'm pretty sure if I keep it this way, it'll be easy to dress up. Get some of the parts in chrome. Get it plated, engraved, all that good stuff. But we're in Texas, so I need some air. So maybe in the future, like I said, changing it to LS, get some air conditioning going on them. But yeah, there you go, guys. Except I'm not sure, we'll take it for a cruise in a minute. Gonna go down the street, go around the block. Alright, man. Again, I'm gonna try to get back on it. Again, it sounds like a broken record, but I'm gonna try to get back on it. Do some videos for you guys. Just trying to get you guys to, motivate, keep the lowrider scene strong. But until the next one, I'll see you around, alright?